Welcome back to another exciting video. In this video, I'm going to show you top best sky add-ons for Blender that will elevate your renders to the next level. Whether you're creating a vibrant daytime scene or a mesmerizing night sky, these add-ons will help you achieve stunning results. So, without further ado, let's dive in. We are going to start with Physical Starlight Atmosphere, because this is the most popular sky add-on for Blender. This add-on is used by many studios such as Ubisoft, KTM, 343 Industries, Embark Studios, and even NASA's 3D artists use it. It is setting the new industry standard for lighting and real-time interactivity with the atmosphere. This versatile add-on offers you sky presets to save time and effort, providing you with a list of ready-to-use settings that can instantly transform your scene and serve as a starting point for further customization. Moreover, it boasts a wide array of customization options, including animation features for every aspect. With the use of keyframes, you can effortlessly animate each element, breathing life into your scenes and creating a dynamic atmosphere that captivates viewers. Another plus is its compatibility with both Eevee and Cycles rendering engines. Furthermore, its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to beginners, enabling them to produce stunning visuals with ease. In summary, if you're looking to integrate real-time skies into your Blender projects, Physical Starlight Atmosphere is the perfect add-on for you. Next up, we have Pure Sky Pro, a remarkable tool that revolutionizes procedural sky creation. With its advanced features, Pure Sky Pro brings a new level of realism to your projects, offering lifelike clouds, dynamic lighting, and atmospheric effects, beautiful twinkling stars, as well as the stunning auroras. And trust me guys, all this looks realistic. Pure Sky Pro provides a starting point with a diverse selection of over 30 sky presets. Additionally, it offers an extensive library of 40 procedural cloud presets. The altitude and shape of cloud presets is based on real-world physics, and yeah, the animation of the clouds is also realistic. For those who want to create custom skies, Pure Sky Pro allows you to tweak every aspect of the sky, granting you unparalleled control over its appearance. Furthermore, it works with both Eevee and Cycles render engine, ensuring compatibility with your preferred workflow. If you're interested in exploring its capabilities further, I will leave the link of a complete video tutorial in the description below. Lastly, we have True Sky. True Sky offers a diverse range of sky presets. Whether you're looking for a clear, sunny day or a cloudy, overcast sky, True Sky has meticulously crafted presets to suit every scene and mood. It is similar to Pure Sky Pro. What sets it apart is the way it spreads sunlight in the atmosphere. But wait, there's more. True Sky also provides complete sky controls, allowing you to fine-tune every aspect of your sky, from the colors of the atmosphere to the density and shape of the clouds. With True Sky, you have the power of automatic transition between day and night. In your night sky, you can also add stars, galaxies, black holes, and basically anything you want to create skies that are as unique as your imagination. It delivers natural and realistic skies right within Blender. Say goodbye to flat, lifeless skies. With True Sky, your scenes will come alive with dynamic, immersive lighting. Now, it's important to note that True Sky works exclusively with Cycles, Blender's cutting-edge rendering engine. So if you're looking for real-time skies, then Physical Starlight Atmosphere is the one to go with. Or if you want dynamic skies as well as realistic, then Pure Sky Pro and True Sky is a great option. And that's all for this video, guys. If you're interested in any of these add-ons, you will find the links in the description below. If you liked it or found it useful, you can give a thumbs up. Also, to stay tuned with my future uploads, do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you all in the next one.